time living in correctional facilities, cause some don't agree with how I do this. I get straight and meditate like a Buddhist. I'm dropping flavor, my behavior is hereditary, but my technique is very necessary. Blame it on Ice Cube, because he said it.
So we talk about ourselves and how to
Me and my fish.
love. All the angels that work so well. No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Gabriel Montealegre. Today I'm making adobo chicken. Here are the ingredients. 1 pound of chicken, oil, soy sauce, then vinegar, the garlic, black pepper, 2 bay leaves, minced onions. Turn on the stove and heat the pan. Then put the cooking oil. After that, put the onion, then stir for a little bit. Then add the garlic and cook till golden brown. Once that is done, you can now add the chicken. Stir the chicken until it's only a little bit cooked. After that, add the black pepper, 1 spoonful of vinegar, 1.5 spoonful of soy sauce, and 2 bay leaves. Now leave it for 15 minutes to boil so that the chicken can cook more. After the 15 minutes, add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Stir, leave for 2 more minutes. After that, you are finished. It's time to eat.
Last call for Grizzly Achievement applications. Please check School Loop for details about how to apply. Applications are due tomorrow, April 10th. Attention freshmen and sophomores. It's time to choose your classes for next year. This Sunday, April 12th, is the last day to register for your classes online. Go to lohshelp.com for instructions on how to register online. Counselors will pick courses for students who do not register online after the Sunday deadline. You will have until midnight this Sunday to complete your registration. Remember that April 24th is the deadline to use the link below to register for a choir audition, or simply sign up for an open choir for the 2020-21 school year. Don't miss out on your chance to be part of a great team and build your skill in music next year. Our leadership training class, Go Wild, is taking sign-ups for next year. Learn how to develop your character and have a lasting, positive impact. No application is needed. Just let your counselor know that you would like to join. Are you interested in helping others? Do you want to get involved in a leadership program on campus? Do you have career goals related to the mental health field? If so, apply to be part of our peer counseling training class. Applications have been sent out via School Loop and will be due April 15th, 2020. If you have questions, reach out via our Twitter or Instagram at Los Osos PC or by sending a Loop mail to Mrs. Parslow. Attention freshmen and sophomores. Are you looking for a class that will set you apart on college applications? Are you wanting to increase your research, writing, and presentation skills? Apply to be a member of the 2020-2021 AP Capstone Cohort. Applications were sent out last week. Contact Mr. Tawny if you have any questions. Like the bare facts, are you looking forward to an awesome yearbook this year? Our amazing yearbook staff would like to encourage you to social distance yearbook style. Find an old yearbook from your parents, look through those yearbooks together, laugh a little bit more, and then share what you find with hashtag Johnston Yearbooks. Stay tuned for information on when our yearbooks will be available for you. And this just in, Grizzly Achievement is recognizing Senora Melendez as our Teacher of the Week. Senora Melendez is dedicated, kind, and always finds a way to make her students laugh. She always makes herself available for kids, letting them know that she wants to help them in any way she can. You can tell just how much she cares for every student that enters her classroom. She teaches students to keep a strong work ethic and to persist even when it gets difficult, especially during this time in quarantine. Senora Melendez checks up on her students personally, making sure that they're all okay and that their workload is manageable. Senora, thank you for simply being you. Your kind heart and ability to make people smile has touched so many people on campus. Thank you again for all that you do.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I was the mob. What was you thinking? Remember them days?
Oh my gosh, oh my god.
That your kitty real tired. I don't miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't. Why would you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so.
Boot, not my foot.
Do I look fat?
Just like 20 pounds overweight.
You're worthless. This is the land of your people.
This is not the land. This is Glendale. I'll be there for you 90% of the time.
Your version of 90 anyways is just unacceptable.
My diamond earring came off in the ocean and it's gone. And there's people that are dying.
Disgusting to be related to you. You're lucky that I'm gracing you with my ideas. Everything you're saying is going in one ear and out the other. You're so dumb. Please don't.
baby, come give me something, oh. I'm a savage, yeah. Classic, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
About it, we gon' ride up when we hit that groove. They say you so smooth, yeah, you so fly, and then we hit the whoa. Hit the folk, they begging for some more. We been that low and hit the road. I tell my boy, let's rock and roll. Hey, I be the latest one. But I was counting up like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
And now it's time for Short Thoughts.
If I order a chicken and an egg from Amazon, which one will come first?
This concludes Short Thoughts.
Bottle caps honestly work really, really well. They were chosen from a lore perspective because the technology for creating bottle caps was lost from the bomb.
Stuff. How about you?
handle this much longer.
No,
The pain is too much.
You can.
I can't do this.
You can. Just hold on.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die of boredom, Father. I'm bored to death.
Can you hurry up because my knee is hurting?
I'm dying, and this is what you're saying?
Yeah. Just close your eyes. And
I'm not even dead yet.
You're gonna be okay, and can you hurry up because my knee is hurting? Please.
Just make my death look heroic. Why are you saying this?
That's it. You're gonna be okay. Just close your eyes and lay down, and that's it. I'm sorry.
During the attack, you got bit. I'm fine. Then show me. Oh, I got it. Walk a bit, Jim.